If you're serious about turning your living room into a next-level cinematic experience, investing in a 4K projector is one of the best decisions you can make this year. With advancements in laser projection, HDR support, and ultra-short throw capabilities, today's projectors bring stunning visuals and theater-quality sound right into your home. Whether you're building a dedicated home theater or want a compact solution for movies, gaming, or sports, the latest 4K UHD laser projectors deliver sharper images, deeper contrast, and smarter functionality than ever before. In this roundup, we've handpicked 5 of the top-performing 4K laser projectors, offering everything from immersive color reproduction and powerful brightness to built-in smart features and superior audio. Whether you're looking for an ultra-short throw setup or something more traditional, there's something here for every kind of viewer and every type of space. Let's dive into the best laser 4K projectors that truly stand out this year. Number 5. Samsung the Premier. The Samsung Premier offers a true theater-like experience at home, boasting a massive 130-inch projection size while sitting just inches from the wall. This ultra-short throw 4K UHD projector combines triple laser technology with a premium 4.2 channel sound system, delivering not only jaw-dropping visuals but also immersive audio without requiring external speakers. It's a brilliant solution for those who want a cinematic setup without the complexity of ceiling mounts or long throw distances. Samsung has integrated HDR10+ support to enhance contrast and color, and it really shines when watching movies or playing games in dark rooms. The projector also supports major streaming platforms natively, so you can enjoy Netflix, Prime Video, and more without additional devices. Built-in Alexa and a user-friendly interface enhance everyday use and smart home integration. With a stylish, minimalist design and powerful performance, the Premier is a top-tier choice for those prioritizing both aesthetics and function. It blends easily into living spaces while providing a true 4K visual feast. Number 4. Formovie Theater Ultra Short Throw 4K Laser Projector. Formovie Theater has carved out a place at the top of the ultra short throw projector market with its premium triple laser display and Dolby Vision support. This model stands out for its cinematic picture quality, offering brilliant brightness and superior contrast ratios. It has earned accolades at major laser TV showdowns for a reason. It's finely tuned for both casual viewers and hardcore film buffs. One of its strongest points is how close it can sit to the wall while still producing massive images with sharp 4K clarity. This makes it ideal for apartments or rooms with limited space. Dolby Vision and Atmos support add another layer of immersion, ensuring not only vibrant images but also a rich sound stage. It also includes built-in speakers, which are more than capable for day-to-day use, though it pairs nicely with soundbars for an even richer setup. Formovie has engineered this projector for users who want effortless setup, cinematic quality, and a sleek aesthetic. It's a powerhouse in a compact package. Number 3. Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 Pro. Hisense continues to push the envelope in projection technology, and the Laser Cinema PX3 Pro is one of their most advanced offerings yet. It features a triple laser system that delivers accurate color coverage and a high contrast ratio, producing crisp, detailed 4K images that stand out even in ambient light conditions. With the projection size ranging from 80 to 1/50 inches, it's perfect for users seeking both flexibility and impact. Designed with gamers and movie lovers in mind, it's one of the few projectors built to support Xbox compatibility natively. Add Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos to the mix, and the PX3 Pro becomes a true all-in-one entertainment hub. Its ultra-short throw design and 3000 lumen brightness allow for seamless installation without sacrificing performance. Smart functionality is powered by Google TV, offering access to all major apps and streaming services right out of the box. For those wanting cutting-edge performance without sacrificing simplicity, this projector hits all the right marks. Number 2. LG CineBeam Q HU710PB. The LG CineBeam Q is a masterclass in balancing portability, smart features, and 4K laser performance. Unlike bulky home theater projectors, the HU710PB is compact enough to move from room to room, but powerful enough to compete with larger units. It delivers ultra-clear 4K visuals with RGB laser technology, supporting a color gamut up to 150 54% of DCI-P3 for exceptional vibrancy. One of the projector's most impressive features is its auto screen adjustment and autofocus system, making setup fast and accurate no matter where you place it. It's ideal for users who want the option to use it in different environments, living room, bedroom, or even backyard movie nights. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on performance. It's smart-enabled, integrates easily with LG's WebOS platform, and supports voice assistants for hands-free control. For those who want a no-fuss, plug-and-play 4K experience in a sleek and portable format, the LG CineBeam Q delivers on every front. Number 1. Epson Home Cinema LS1100. The Epson Home Cinema LS1100 has raised the bar for 4K laser projectors, setting a gold standard for both home theater enthusiasts and gamers alike. It combines cutting-edge 4K Pro UHD technology with an ultra-bright laser light source, delivering images that are incredibly crisp, vibrant, and rich in detail. Whether you're watching HDR content or playing the latest console games, the projector ensures a stunning visual experience with deep blacks, accurate color gradation, and smooth motion thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. One of its standout features is the motorized lens system, which includes powered lens shift, zoom, and focus. This makes installation far more flexible and allows for perfect alignment and calibration, even in challenging setups. Plus, with HDMI 2.1 support, it's fully compatible with the latest gaming consoles and high-bandwidth media devices. The projector offers 2,500 lumens of brightness for both color and white output, ensuring vibrant performance even in rooms with some ambient light. And because it uses a laser light source, you can count on up to 20,000 hours of virtually maintenance-free operation. For cinephiles, gamers, or anyone serious about immersive visuals, the Epson LS1100 delivers pro-level performance with outstanding picture quality and impressive versatility. It's not just a projector, it's a home cinema powerhouse. When it comes to building an immersive home entertainment setup, laser 4K projectors offer unmatched clarity, color precision, and long-term value. These top 5 projectors deliver elite features like ultra-short throw designs, Dolby Vision and Atmos support, ultra-bright displays, and smart integrations that make them more versatile than ever before. Whether you're looking for something compact and portable or a full-fledged home theater solution, the latest models on the market bring a professional-grade experience to any room. From the Epson LS1100's exceptional precision to Samsung's ultra-short throw brilliance and Formovie's award-winning balance of features and performance, this list covers the very best the market has to offer. These aren't just tools to watch movies, they're machines built to immerse you in them. Now that you've seen our top pick, stay tuned as we explore the rest of the lineup, from smart portability to cinematic ultra-short throw options. Let's keep going.